Good evening. In previous session, we have seen about control statements and del statement and differences between del and none statement. So today I am going to discuss about string data type, that is a str data type in detail. That means everything that is related to strings will be discussed in this session. Okay. So first I will discuss about the concepts what we have discussed in about these strings in previous sessions. So first thing is what is meant by a string. First concept we have to understand what is meant by a string. String is a group of characters. String is what? A group of characters. String is a group of characters. Right. If we want to represent a string in Python, compulsory we have to use either single quotes or double quotes. Okay. Or we can also use in some cases triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Okay, already this concept was seen in our previous sessions. So why we have to see in detail about this string data type? So in all data types, the generally used data type in any of the projects, that means what? Mostly used data type in projects will be our string data type. That is nothing but str type. So I will consider one small example. That is what, if you are going to consider any application, a small application I am going to take. That is what a student is applying for MSET. A student is applying for MSET. Let us see what is the type of data he is going to fill in his application form. For example, he has to enter a name, he has to enter his age, he has to enter, for example, date of birth. For example, next father name he has to enter, mother name, next one address. In address, what will be there? We have to write house number. Next, we have to write the, for example, if you are having after house number, let us write street number or street name. Next, if it is a village, we have to write about village. Next, mandal. Next, we have to write state. So if you want to submit any ID proof, for example, I want to write Aadhaar card. Let us take Aadhaar or PAN card, anything. So they will ask about identification marks also. In your 10th certificate, you can observe that. So identification marks, for example. So let us consider this is an application form. Generally, you can see it anywhere. I have taken one small MSET application. Okay, so it may be there or may not be there, but general things I have written here. So name is which type here? str type. Age is which type? Int type. Date of birth is which type? We can take date type. So we have not discussed this one, so I will leave this one. Next, father is what? String. Mother is what? String type. So address, house number is what? For example, I am going to consider house number will be looks like what? 3 by 4. That means what? Here some symbol is going to be there. So I can also consider this one as a string. Okay. So street name is a string. Village name is a string. Mandal string. State string. Aadhaar number is nothing but I can consider it as a. I can also consider it as a string, or I can consider it as a number also. No problem. That is nothing but int. So identification marks is nothing but string. If I consider male or female, gender, okay, it is also what? String type only. That means if I have taken one small basic application, you can see many data, different data is of type which type? String data type. So that we have to understand in detail about these strings. Okay, right. So now already we know some basics about these strings. Okay, so first point I have to discuss about the strings is strings are immutable. I will write the points what we have discussed till now. Already known points I'm going to write here. So strings are immutable. Immutable means, what is meant by immutable? Cannot be changed once it is created. For example, a equal to, I am going to take Shiva, I am going to take here. So if I print a, I am going to get what? Shiva, I am going to get. If I am going to take for example, a equal to, I am going to concatenate Shiva plus okay, a equal to, I am going to take Shiva plus Rama. What happens here? I am going to change the object. So let us see one small example for this one, so that you can understand what is meant by immutability. Once if you are going to create any object, Okay, see here. I want to see the ID of A. ID of A is nothing but what? It is going to give you the address. So some value it is going to give. Now what I am doing? A equal to, I am doing A plus, I am writing some, I am concatenating it. So now I will see what? ID of A. Now what happens? This address is different, this address is different. That means here name is A only. But in this A, what is there? Shiva is there. Whenever you are going to add something to that object, a new object is going to be created. That is, see here, A is here. In this, we are having a string called as Shiva with some address 234, for example. So when I am going to perform this statement, there is nothing but A equal to A plus Ram I am going to take. What we are going to think generally, so the result is going to be updated here only, but it is not the case. Separately, one object is going to be pointed, and initially A is pointed to this one. Now A will be pointed to this one. And here what I am going to do? Shiva and Ram is going to be concatenated, and it will be some different address. Okay, this concept is called as what? Immutability. That means once if you are going to create any object, if you try to change that one, it is not possible for a string. So we can call it as a what? Immutability. That is the first point. Already we know this point, right? Next point I have to discuss is, if you are going to consider any other programming language like C, C++ and Java, there we are having a data type called as char data type. That means to represent a single character, we are having char data type in C, C++ and Java. But in Python, no char data type. First thing we have to observe is what? No char data type. So now you may get one small doubt that, sir, how to represent a character then? So how we are going to represent a string here in this form? So just if you want to represent only single character, just we can also place single character in this string. Okay. So string is nothing but what? It is a combination of, or it is a group of characters, or it may be a single character also, no problem. But here additionally we are not going to have any char data type additionally, right? Now next point is, already we have seen that point, multi-line. So okay, already we have known that what, to represent a string I have to use what? Single characters, or sorry, single quotes or double quotes. Sometimes you are going to use triple quotes also. So if you want to represent a multi-line, strings, already we know that we can use what? Single quotes. Okay, just I will show you that, then you can so see here I'm going to Shiva, for example, Ram, I'm going to Prasad, for example. So see, it has taken it. If I print A, it is going to give me what? Slash, and already we know, we have discussed about this point. If I execute the same thing here in our as a program, you can observe what happens. A equal to, I'm going to write string in multi lines. Okay, so it is going to consider it as a what? It is going to print as a Shivaram Prasad only. Okay, in multi line. So I want to take print A. Okay, so if you observe the output, sorry, okay. Now see, if you observe this output, what you can see here, Shiva, Rama and Prasad are in multiple lines. So for taking the multiple lines, we can apply what? Single quotes. So you can also see what, if you take double quotes, so what is going to be generated? Same output is going to be generated. That means what? To take a multi-line strings, we can use triple quotes, or we can also use triple double quotes also. Okay. So already we know that how to print a single quotes in a string. So I will not discuss in detail. Already we have seen that one. So just I will take a small example. Just I want to print single quotes in my string. For example, hi Ivers. For example, I'm going to take Ivers. That means what, here I want to print single quotes here. So single quotes has to be printed inside a double quotes. Compulsory it has to be enclosed with a double quotes. If you try to take it in a single quotes, for example, what happens? We are going to get a invalid syntax. Now, So if I want to print a double quotes inside a string, then what I have to take? I have to take it in a 1 minute. Sorry, here I have to take single quotes. So what it is going to print? It is going to print double quotes in the string. So we have seen many different examples for this one in previous when we discussed about string data type. So just I am going to make you to remember all these points so that I am little bit fast. Okay, right. Now the point is how to access the characters. This one, this concept I'm going to discuss in detail, because when I'm discussing about the string in data types, I have not explained in detail about this accessing the characters in a string. So now you can get a more points. So I will explain slowly this concept. So concept is what? Accessing characters in a string. Already we know how to accessing a characters in a string. So how many ways are there? Two ways are there. One is by using index. Second one is by using slice operator. Slice operator. So nothing is there to discuss about this index. So some additional points will be discussed in this slice operator. So anyway, first I will show about the index. So if you are going to consider any variable, any string, for example, here I am going to take Shiva Ram, for example. So internally what happens? A space will be created and indexes will be there for every character here. So S, I, V, A, for each and every individual character, I'm going to have what? String, sorry, index. So S is pointed to this string. So what is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are positive indexes. We can also have what? Negative indexes also. That means what? Negative index indicates what? From backside. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -4, -6, and -7. So if you want to access any character, directly I can write what? S of 0 or S of 1 or S of -1 or S of -5 and so on. That means what? Here I have to consider only indexes. It may be positive index or it may be negative index. Already we know this concept. Now here possible errors are what? If you try to access a character or if you try to access an index which is not present in this, that means what? For example, here -7 is there, here 6 is there. I'm going to take some value called as 10, for example. There is what? S of 10. Is this index is present in this S? No. So what happens? We are going to get what? Index error. Which error? The error is occurred due to what? Index. So we are going to get which error? Index error. So and it is going to give some description about that error also. That is nothing but what? String index out of range. So whatever the index you have given, that is out of range. So this 10 is what? What is the range of this S here? 0 to 6 and -1 to -7. If you are going to give any index other than these values, it is going to give you an index error saying what? String index out of range. So just briefly, I will take a small example. So see, same example I will take here. So here I have taken here. So what are the values here? SI, okay, SI, AV, RM, anyway, no problem. Right. If I want to access individual characters, I can use what? Square brackets. If I write S of 0, what is the 0th index? S. Okay. Next. If I want to take negative indexes will start from backward direction. That means what? M is going to be printed here. In the same way, the characters are going to be printed from, if you want to get from backward direction, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 you have to take. If you want to print from, consider the indexes from left to right, then we have to go for positive indexes. Now I want to show you the error. That is S of, for example, 10. Is there any index that is 10 here? What are the indexes here? Positive indexes are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 to 6 are there. Negative indexes are from -1 to -7. So this is what? Out of my range. So it is going to give you what? Index error. Saying what? String index out of range. Okay. This is about index. In a index, sorry, this is about how to access the individual characters in a string by using the index. So index can be positive or index can be negative. So positive means what? From left to right. Negative means what? From right to left, which can be considered as backward direction. So this is about indexing. Now the important operator is slice operator. So whatever we have seen in previous session is only little bit I have discussed, but now I am going to discuss in detail about this slice operator. So how we are going to use this slice operator? I am going to consider square brackets. In that I am going to use colon. Okay. So just listen. Yes, of what will be there inside this one? Begin. Just I will write begin. Next one I am going to have some end value, and I am going to have what? Step value. Three parameters or arguments can be written inside this one. That means we can have three. That one is what? One is begin, another one is end, another one is separator. Sorry, this is what? Step, not separator, it is a step. So here if we consider this step value, in previously I have discussed only about positive value. Now I will discuss about the negative value also. So first point about this step is step can be either positive or negative. So previously I have discussed only about positive. So now we are going to see in detail. So step can be what? It may be positive value or it may be negative value. So if you are going to consider a positive value, that is nothing but we are going to print in a forward direction. Forward direction is nothing but from left to right. From left to right. Sir, what is meant by left to right? For example, here I am going to consider as some string I am going to take. Shiva I am going to take, for example. Right. See here. Here what happens? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This direction is called as a forward direction. If you want to print from backward direction, that means minus values we have to consider. So whenever we are going to consider negatives, that is minus a positive negative values, that means it is a backward direction from right to left. This is what? From right to left. Right to left, where we are going to get the values in reverse order from backward to from right side to left side, which is nothing but in backward direction. So here it is what? Backward direction. Backward direction, which where we can consider it as right to left. It is what? Right to left. This is the first point you have to understand. So this is about step. So don't worry, we will take every example about this positive and negative. Next point is we have to talk about begin and end. So what is meant by begin? In the name it says what? Begin is nothing but starting point. So begin and end we have to talk. Already we have completed about step. Now if we are going to consider a positive, okay, let us, I will consider this one as a positive value. Some one I am going to consider. So if positive, begin is going to be, let us consider whatever the value we are going to write here, it starts from begin to n minus 1 every time. N minus 1. We will not go to up to n, it will take only up to n minus 1. Now what is the default value of begin? That means if you are not going to write a begin, that means I have written only end here, and step I have written. Then what is this value by default? By default the begin value is 0. Okay. Next, if you are not going to write end, if you are not going to write end, you have written what? Begin you have written. Then what about end? If you are not going to write end, for example, then by default what is the value of this one is? It is the length of the string. Length of the string, it is going to consider length of the string. For example, s equal to Shiva, I am going to consider, I want to print entire string, so I am going to take begin as 0. And what is the length of the string? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that this value will be by default what it is going to take? 4. But up to what value it is going to print? Up to 3 only. Indexes are what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will print from 0 to 3. That means what? By default begin value is 0. By default end value is what? Length of the string. What about step? If I'm not going to write a step, for example, I have taken only begin and end values. I have not written any step value. So by default, step is what? 1. Sorry, by default, step is 1. These 3 points also you have to understand. One is what? Begin default value is what? 0. End default value is whatever the length we are having for that string, it will be the value. Now, what is the step default value? It is 1. So this is about forward direction. That means what? If I'm going to consider positive step value, that what from forward left to right. Now I will consider about negative. That means what? Backward direction. So this one we have to understand carefully, because forward direction already I have discussed. So now I have to consider what? Backward direction, which is nothing but negative value. If you are going to have a negative index, that is what? Negative step value, right? Now by div, see, and we have to understand carefully. So for example, I'm going to take 4 values. Right now, see 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. The name of this one is S, for example. So I want to access from backward direction. So if I am going to write, let us consider if I am not going to write begin here. So from backward direction means, sorry, let us consider for from beginning positive, for example. So what is the first value in positive side? That is nothing but 0. In negative side, what is the first value? Minus 1. So in positive, if you are not going to write begin, by default it is going to take as what? 0. In the same way, in backward direction, if you are not going to write begin, by default the value will be what? Minus 1. That means it will be considered from minus 1. Next, what will be the end value if you are not going to write the end value? This point you have to remember. So what is the end value here? This is the end. That means up to here it will take. How to calculate this value? We have to understand that one. Okay. What is this? Minus 4. Minus 4 means what? How to get this value? So if you want to get this minus 4, just write down what is the length of your string. Length of your string is 4. That is what? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we can consider what? Length of the minus length of the string, minus length of the string. Okay, right. This is about end. Next one, if you are not going to write default, so what is meant by minus length of the string? What is the length of the string? 4, for example. So by default, up to where it is going to print in negative direction, minus 1 to minus 4. Okay. Okay, sorry, I have to tell one more point. Not minus length of the string, minus length of the string plus 1. This point compulsory you have to understand. I told first length of the string, but it has to be what? Minus, very important, you have to understand here. Length of the string plus 1. Plus 1 is compulsory here. Reason I will discuss. So here if I take minus 1 to minus 4, for example, or minus 5, for example, here I have taken some minus 1, for example. So from where to where it will consider? Minus 1 to minus 4, sorry, minus 5 plus 1, because sorry, minus, that means what? It is going to get the value. So sorry, here the value is, for example, 5 is there. Okay, now I have to add what? Plus 1. It will give me what? Minus 4. That means if I am not going to write this value, by default what should be the value? It is going to take minus length of the string plus 1. That means it is going to take what? Minus 4, minus, that is, it is going to take minus 5. So if you are going to perform minus 5 plus 1, we are going to get what? Minus 4 only. The values that are going to be considered is what? Minus 1 to minus 4. What about that is what the step is, it is going to consider by default minus 1 only. Okay, right. So n should not, okay, one point I have to discuss here in reverse, very important point. N should not be minus 1, or very important point, listen carefully, n should not be minus 1, or if n plus 1 is 0. It should not be n plus 1 is 0, then we will get a empty string. So these 2 points we have to understand. Once again I am repeating, end value should not be -1. Okay, first point. Or if n plus 1 is 0, for example, if I am going to perform n plus 1, if it is becomes 0, we are going to get what? It is going to give you empty string. Okay, let us see all these cases in our examples. So just what we have to remember here, default values we have to remember here. Next, this point in backward direction we have to understand, that is what? End value should not be -1, or if n plus 1 is 0, for example, then result will be what? Empty string. All these points we can see by taking one small example. So for clear understanding, just I will write here. So I will take the same example and I will show you for every step. So I will take from 0 to 10 or 9, for example. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So don't think these as a numbers. These are nothing but I have taken it as a string in this way, so that you will get a clear clarity. Okay, I have taken the numbers as a string. So what is the name of this one? S. So indexes are starts from what? 0. So indexes also will be same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So negative indexes are from what? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. So now I will show you a different examples with positive. That means what? Once I will take, if I will take consider positive direction, that is what? Forward direction, and I will take begin. Next one is end, and I will take step. And in some cases I will not take these three things. So all the different cases I will show you. Right. First thing what I have to do, s equal to, I have to consider a string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever we have considered there. So now one string is created. Now I want to take, I know about the positive index, so that no need of explaining in detail. So 0 to 7 I want to print. So index is step is what? 1. That means what it is going to print. See here, 0 to 7 means what? Up to 0 to 7, the values also will be printed as what? 0 to 7. So if you press enter, what is the output? Sorry. It will print from where? 0 to 7 minus 1, because end value is what? Always the value is going to be n minus 1. That means if we consider as 0 to 7, 1 here, what happens? It is going to consider the values only up to 0 to 6. Already you know that. Yeah, what it will take? N minus 1. We have to remember this point. So here we got what? 0 to 6 only. Okay, right. Now I don't want to take a step and I want to print the, sorry, okay, I want to print just 0 to 7 only. What will be the output? Again, if you are considering step, or if you are not going to consider the step, by default step value will be what? 1 only. So the answer will be same. Okay, this is the statement. Why I have explained this statement means to make you understand, by default the step is what? 1 only. Now I want to take step as 2. What happens? Step as 2 means first it will take one value, next value will not be considered, second step will be considered. That is what? 0, same 7 I will take, and I am going to consider 2. Now what will be the answer? Observe here. First it will print 0. One step means it will go to 1. So now what is the step I have taken? 2. One step means it will go here. Second step means this is one step and this is second step. So it will go to 2. Again from here, first step is 3, second step is 4. That means 2 will directly go to 4. It will not print 3. In the same way for 6 also. Okay. Now see what is the answer? 0 to 4, 6. Okay. Right. This is about a step. I have taken different step, not one. Right. Now I will take one more example. That is what I am going to consider only one value without any 0. I am going to consider without n value or without any step value. What will be the default step value here? It is going to consider 1. What will be the n value here? Length of the string. Okay. Now see what happens. Entire string will be printed. All the values in the string will be printed. Reason is what? I have given only begin. It will begin from 0. What about end? I didn't specify there. so that it will take the length of the string. That means all the values in this string will be considered. Now I'm going to take what? Just I will take end only. If I'm going to take end, by default, what is the begin here? Begin will be by default what? 0 only. That means here what we are going to get? 0 to 6 values we are going to get. Reason is what? End is going to be always considered n minus 1. Okay, we are going to get only up to 0 to 6. Now I don't want to take anything. So this point should be understand, because in some cases this will be used for you. This will be useful for you. See here, I have not taken end. So I have not taken begin, I have not taken end, I have not taken step. By default values, you know what is the default value for this one? 0. What is the default value for this one? End of this string. Okay, length of this string. Next, what is the step value? 1. So what it is going to give? It is going to give you all the values in the string, that is from 0 to 9. Now this is about positive index. So that means what? We can see from left to right, or we can consider forward direction. When we are going to write step value as positive. Now I am going to negative indexes. Already I have discussed negative index, about negative step. Now I am discussing about that negative. So you have to understand carefully. So S of colon directly I will take -1 here. So one thing you have to understand is what? If I am not going to consider begin and end, what is the default values are begin and end? Begin is -1, end is what? Minus length of string plus 1. That is what? For example, the same example I will consider here. Here I have taken what? Just I have taken -1 here. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, right. Now see, here I am going to consider -1. Now what is the default value of this one? -1. What is the default value of this one? Minus of length of the string. What is going to plus 1? That means what is the length of the string? Length of the string is, what is that? 10. Okay, length of the string will be what? 10. So here it will be 10. So it will consider it as a what? Plus 1. It is nothing but minus 11. For example, here the value is what? Minus 11 will be the value. Now the value is what? My beginning value is -1 and ending value is what? -11. So what are the values that are going to be considered here? -1 to end -1. Okay, that's what end plus 1 here. -1 means one value will be decremented. That means here only up to -10 the values are going to be considered. Okay, that means what? From 9 to 0 it will be printed from reverse direction, because I have used what? -1 here. So remember one point, that whenever we are going to use -1, it will be printed in reverse order. So reverse order is what? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is printed. Now I want to take one more example, that is what? For both the positive index and negative index. So here what? By default values I have taken. Now I will take one more example, 2 colon 8 colon, for example I will take 1. Here what happens? Is it compulsory to take only 0 every time? No, we can take any one. So what is the index here? 2 means what? It will print from 2 to which value I have taken? 8. 8 means what? Up to values, up to index 7 it is going to be considered. That is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 minute. Okay, up to 7. That is what? 2 to 7 it is going to print. Okay. Now if I'm going to consider here also 2 to 8, this point you have to understand. 2 to 8, and here I am going to consider -1. That -1 indicates what? Compulsory you have to understand this point. -1 indicates what? Negative. So what I have taken? So here 2 to 8 I have taken, and I have taken -1. So by seeing this step value as -1, I can understand from backward direction. So if I take backward direction, is there any index called as 2 to 8? Is there any from backward direction? Can I take 2 to 8? No, 2 to 8 cannot be taken from backward direction. So I cannot take anything. So we are going to get what? Empty string. Okay, we are going to get what? Empty string, because from backward to backward direction there is no concept of index 2 and 8. Okay, right. Now same thing I am going to consider. If you take any 2 to 6 or 2 to 7 or 2 to any positive values, we are going to get what? That means what? Left is a beginning is the less and 8 is what? Greater. If you take in this way, we are going to get what? Empty string. But if I take 8 colon 2, 8 colon 2 and minus 1, now what happens? Here clearly you can observe. Now what I have taken? 8 of, sorry, s of 2 minus 1. This minus 1 indicates what? Backward direction. From the backward direction, can I take 8 to 2? Yes. In this direction, can I take 8 to 2? Yes. So we cannot take 2 to 8. If I have taken 2 to 8, it will become what? Forward direction. Can I take 8 to 2? Yes. 8 to 2 is what? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And 2 will be printed or not. So here we have to consider end value. I have to observe. What is the end value here? 2. 2 is the end value. So up to what values it is going to print? Either it will print or not. First thing we have to observe is whether either it will print or not. Yes, it will print, no problem. Reason is backward direction, it is possible. So 8, 7, next 6, 5, 4, 3. Up to 3 it will print. Reason is what? Here end is there, end minus 1. That means what? Only up to this location is going to be printed. Right. Now let us see here. So what is the values from where to where it has printed? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Up to 3 it has been printed. Now one more statement I have discussed there. If I place 0, so already this point I have discussed. Compulsory step value should not be 0. If I place step value as 0, that means what it is going to print? It will not print anything. So not only in this case, you can take any case. If you take a step value as 0, we are going to get an error saying that slice step cannot be 0. Compulsory, it should be at least some value. Non-zero value should be there. That is nothing but from 1 to minimum value is 1, maximum value based on your length of this string. You can take anything, but we should not take what? 0 cannot be taken. Okay, right. Next one, I will take 1 colon minus 6 and I'm going to consider minus 1. Here you can observe clearly. If I take minus 1 here, that indicates what? Reverse direction. So what I have taken? S of minus, sorry, 1 I have taken, I think. So let us take minus 1. Okay. Minus 1, minus 1 to minus 6 colon minus 1. So this indicates what? Backward direction. So in backward direction, we are having minus 1 or not? Yes. So it will take in this direction, no problem. Until where it is going to take, and end I have given as what? Minus 6. Okay. Minus 1 to minus 6. That means minus 6 plus 1. That it is going to decrease one location. Okay. If we are going to take in, sorry, if we are going to take in backward direction, we have to do what? N plus 1 backward direction. Remember once again, if you are going to take reverse, we have to do what? N plus 1. When you are going from forward direction, we have to take N minus 1. So here what I have to do? N plus 1 has to be performed. That means minus 6 plus 1 has to be taken. The value will be what? Minus 5 only. That means only the values up to 5 will be printed. Only up to here it will be printed. So this point has to be noted. I think I have not specifically, I have not specified this one. In forward direction, we have to take what? N minus 1. In reverse direction, in backward direction, we have to take what? N plus 1. Right. Just directly I am saying by showing the locations, but this one has to be compulsory specified. So you have to understand this point. Right. Anyway, so here what you are going to get? Minus 1 to minus 5. That is nothing but 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 we are going to get. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 we are going to get as an output. Now next one I am going to consider one more type, that is 2 colon, for example I am going to take 2 colon minus 5 and I will take negative direction or positive direction first I will take. Now what happens if I take positive direction? compulsory. Okay, first I will take negative direction. So see what happens here. -1 is there. -1, what is there? What I can understand from reverse direction. Okay, from reverse direction, I want to take 2 to 5. In reverse direction, is there any 2 to 5? It is not possible. In this, first two should be there. Is there any 2 before coming -5? No. So it is not possible. So that we are going to get what? Empty string. Okay, we are going to get what? Empty string. Same example I will consider, but I will take from positive side. Compulsory this point should be understood. That is, what happens here? If what I am going to take 2, 5 and normal 1. Sorry, 2, -5 and normal 1. Normal 1 indicates what? This direction. In this direction, is 2 is starting first? Yes. And -5 is here, no problem. In this direction, I can follow. I will get from where to where? This is starting, begin is what? 2. From 2 to what is the last value I am going to consider? I am considering -5. So -5 means what? This value. Okay, this value -5 means. So I am going to take what from forward direction. It is going to give you what? -5 -1. That is going, because it is forward direction, I have to do what? End -1. So end value I have taken what? -5 -1. It will give you -6. In -6, what is there? Only up to 4 is there. We are going to get what? 2, 3, 4. Don't worry. Once again, I will repeat the same thing. So don't worry. See here, same thing I am going to it once again. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, what is the concept I have taken here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now what I have taken? Sorry, -1, -2. Okay, -10. Now what is the example I have taken here? S of 2 colon -5 colon -1. Okay, so normal one. So this indicates what? Forward direction. That means this direction. In this way, first begin is what? 2. So begin is 2 here. So before coming -5, are we getting 2? Yes, I am getting. So begin can be 2 and end can be 5. This is end. So in forward direction, end is always what? We have to perform end -1. In reverse direction, we have to perform end +1. So this is the begin value. Up to which values I am going to consider? -5, -1 value. That is nothing but the result will be 2 to -6. 2 to -6 is nothing but what? Sorry. This is 2 to -6. That is nothing but 2, 3, 4 we got. Okay, that is the output that we got. Right. Now I am going to consider one more example. Right here, 0 colon -5 I want to take, for example, -5 colon -5 I will take. Here, first thing what we have to observe? We have to observe step value. What is the step value? -5. That means what? From reverse direction. Okay, from this reverse direction. What is the begin value? 0. So where is 0? First these values should be there, but 0 is at last. So end is here. So is it possible to get an output? No. We are going to get what? Empty string. Okay. Next. Just I will take here, starting I am not, beginning I am not going to take. I am going to take only end and -1 I am going to take. Here what happens? Starting value is not taken, but step is what? -1. So if I take step as -1, this is 0, this is -1. From reverse direction, this is what? Begin I have not written. So by default begin will be what? -1. Up to where I have to take? Up to 0. Reverse direction. Okay. So from where up to where it is going to take? See, you can observe here. You may get one doubt. I will clear that doubt also. Now see, what is the output? 1 to 9. Okay, why it has taken 1 to 9? 1 minute. Okay, so 9 to 1 it has taken. So we know that why it has taken only up to 1. Reason is, here what is there? 0 is there. So it is reverse direction. What we have to do? 0 plus 1. Once again I am repeating. So here colon is there, here 0 is there, here -1 is there. So which direction it is? Backward direction. whenever we are going to consider backward direction, n should be what? N plus 1. That is nothing but 0 plus 1. That means minus 1 to plus 1 it is going to consider. That means minus 1 to plus 1. That is nothing but what? 9 to 1 the output is going to be generated. 9 to 1 it is going to be printed. Now I will take one more example, minus. So I am going to cover here, I am covering all the different cases so that you will get a clarity on this one. So minus 1 to minus 6. So I have not taken step. Compulsory you have to understand, if I am not going to this step, it will be by default what? 1. If I am not going to take step, any step. If I am going to take negative step, it indicates backward direction. But if you are not going to take any step value, it indicates what? Forward direction only. That is nothing but default value is 1 only. That means what? This indicates what? Forward direction only. Forward direction means this direction. In this direction, first begin what I have written, minus 1. So is minus 1 is first or minus 6 is first? Minus 6 is first. But I have written what? Minus 1 as a begin. Is it possible to take these values? No. If I take minus 6 and minus 1, we will get an output. But I have taken what? Minus 1 and minus 6, so that we are going to get what? Empty string. If I just modify this one as minus 6 and minus 1, we are going to get the output. What will be the output? Minus 6 minus 1. If you are going to forward direction, in this direction, minus 6 will be first and minus 1 will be last. So it is a forward direction. So minus 1 and minus 1. What will be the answer? Because n minus 1 I have to perform in positive direction. N minus 1 is what? Minus 1 minus 1. That is nothing but minus 2. That means only up to values that are going to print it from minus 6 to that is nothing. Minus 6 means what? 4. 4 to minus 2. That is what? 8. 4 to 8 the values are going to be printed. Y from 4 begin is minus 6. Okay, right. Y2 up to only minus 2, reason is I have taken minus 1. So if you are moving forward direction, what I have to do? N minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but minus 2. So it is printed only up to 8 only. Okay, excuse. Right. Now I'm going to take some more cases. Right. Here I'm going to consider S of minus 5, 0, minus 9 or minus some value. Here that means what I am telling, from minus 5 to 0. Step value is what? Minus 9. That means minus indicates what? This direction, backward direction. In backward direction, are we getting minus 5 before 0? Yes, no problem. Before 0, I am going to get minus 5. So here from here the values are going to be considered. But the step value is what here? Minus 9. That means I have to print next value after 9 steps. That is what? First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. What about 7, 8, 9 steps? Not there. So only which value is going to be printed? Only 5 is going to be printed. Okay, next. Just I will take minus 5 to here I will take minus 10. And here I am going to take minus 1. It is easy to say from where to where. Minus 5 to, it is reverse direction. So n plus 1 up to minus 9 it is going to print. Okay, 1 minute. Minus 5 to minus 10. Yes, here we have to observe one thing. We have to observe what? S of minus 5 to minus 10 colon minus 1, reverse direction. In reverse direction, from minus 5 I want to take. From minus 5 to where I have to take? Up to minus 10. Will it take up to minus 10? No. In a reverse direction, it is going to perform what? N plus 1. So it will be what? Up to minus 9. That means the result will be from where to where? Minus 5 to minus 9. That is nothing but 5 to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it will be the answer. Right. So these are the different cases where we can apply to strings. Okay, let us take one point I have discussed when I am discussing about negative. That is what? If we are going to take n value should not be minus 1. Okay, I have n value should not be what? Minus 1. Evaluated to minus 1. Let us take. That is nothing but here I am going to take -5 colon 0, for example. Okay, in reverse direction I am going to take. Now what happens here? If I take this case -5 to +1, it is going to be there. No problem. If I take -1 here, okay, now let us see what happens. If I take -5 -1 -1, so calculate this one once. This will become what? This will become -1, reverse direction. In reverse direction what happens? -1 +1 will be done, so we are getting what? 0. So 0 means will we have any problem? There is no problem. So we will get the answer up to 5 to 0. In this case, 1 minute. So this is the case where we have to concentrate, because when the value, so we are going to get empty string. You may get doubt that, sir, why we are going to get an empty string? Reason is, we should not consider m value to -1. If you are going to consider it, it is going to take the value as 0. So if you are evaluating that, it is going to be considered as 0, so that it should not be taken. This is one rule we have to identify. Okay, so once again I am repeating, whenever we are going to have step value as -1, you cannot estimate the output. See here, if I take 2, no problem. If I take 2, what happens? If I am going to take 2 also, 1 minute. Let us see once. Here I am going to take -5 minus, okay, reverse direction. Okay, sorry. In reverse direction it is okay. In reverse direction what happens here? First -5 will not come here. Sorry. Here first we are going to get what? -5 we are going to get. So this case is correct. Why it is correct? Empty string means -5 is not coming first. Okay, so no problem, empty string. But now the case I want to discuss is, sorry, I want to discuss what? I will take empty, for example. Here let us take 0 here. Let us say 0, and I will take -1. What will be the answer? So 0 means it will consider 0 plus 1, and it, okay, reverse direction it will take to -1 to 0. Once again I will take one more example to demonstrate that one. I want to take some value here. So here I will take some positive value 5. So 5 to 0. Okay, here also we are going to get 1 minute. So see here, 5 to 1 in reverse direction. Observe this one. 5 to 1 in reverse direction. This is what? Reverse direction. In reverse direction also it is not possible. Okay, 1 minute. In reverse direction what I am doing? S of 5 colon -1 colon -1. That means, are we getting 5 first? No. So in reverse direction 5 is not first. We are getting -1. So this is not possible. So one point I want to discuss you. That point is n should not be -1, or n plus 1 should not be 0. That means -1 plus 1 will become 0. I will take that case. So here I will take -2 -1, and let us take 1 here, for example. So we got the value. So anyway, no problem. Just remember that if you are going to, n should not be -1. If it is -1, we are going to get in reverse direction. It should not be -1. Okay. So you observe here carefully. -2 -1. Yes. -2, and end is what? To 0. No. Yes. See here. It is a clear. We can get here. 1 minute. Once again I will show. So what is the 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, for example. So negative values I'm going to consider -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and so on. -10 I'm going to consider here. What is the value here? In reverse direction I'm going to take -2. That means from here it is going to consider. If you take -1, is it possible to take? That means it should not be done, because -1 plus 1 will become what? 0. If you take here -1, what happens? It is not possible to print any value. Every time it is going to give you what? Empty string. Okay, if you take -1, for example, I will take -1 and -1. So what happens? Will you get any value? No value. But if I take 1 and 1, so see this case, if I take positive ones, all are positive ones, here also we are getting what? Reason is what? 1 here, in forward direction we are going to get 1 minus 1, that is what? 0 here. Okay, and -1. In negative direction what happens? And +1. So anyway it becomes what? 0. If we want to print a individual character, that is nothing but first one, it is not possible in this case. But if we want to take 0 to 1, 0 to 1, see, observe here, if you take 0 to 1, so we are going to get 0 value. But whenever we are going to take 1 1 1, that indicates what? From first value to, if we write in this way, here it becomes what? 0. So we are not going to get any value. Okay, so these are the different cases we have to observe about the string. So this is about only slice operator we have discussed. There are many things to discuss. It may take next session and next 2 sessions also only for string. So because we have to apply many methods are there, and we can also see mathematical operators that can be applied on this one, and we have to see many examples about these strings. Okay, thank you.